Assalamualaikum, students, viewers. Welcome back to my class again. Today I will take your English first paper, English for today class. I am Jennifer Farhana Rashid, teacher of Campus 4. We have students from English version and Bangla medium also. So sometimes I use Bangla and I will tell you the meaning that you can understand it easily. Students, all of you know that coronavirus has spread all over the world, including Bangladesh. The situation is becoming worse, so we are passing very hard time. Please, all of you stay at home, don't go outside, keep yourself clean and wash your hands with hand wash for again and again. So students, you have to be very careful because this virus is very dangerous. During this time you have enough time, that's why we are giving some lesson to you that you can practice at home. Dear students, in my previous class we have done Sagar and his family. Today we will learn question answer and true false from Sagar and his family. Okay, let's see Sagar, the question, what does Sagar's father do? Answer, Sagar's father is a doctor. Number 2. How old is Kea? Answer, Kea is 3 years old. Number 3. Who has a garden? Answer, Sagar's mother has a garden. 4. What does grandma make? Answer, grandma makes the best pitas in the world. Number 5. Why does Sagar feel proud? Sagar feels proud of his mother's garden. Now we will learn true or false. If it is false, you have to write the correct answer. Number 1. Sagar is 8 years old. False. Correct answer. Sagar is 9 years old. Number 2. Sagar's mother is a teacher. False. Correct answer is Sagar's mother is a housewife. Number 3. Sagar has a little sister. True. Number 4. Kea is only 3 years old. True. Number 5. Grandmother makes the best pitas in the world. True. This is all about Sagar and his family. Our next chapter is Sagar's week. Dear students, please open your book, page number 32. On weekdays, Sagar gets up at 6 in the morning. He first says his prayer, then he goes to his grandfather and studies Bangla and English with them. Week. What do you mean by week? Week means সপ্তাহ. 7 days make a week. And weekdays. Weekdays means কাজের দিনগুলি, working days. So Sagar gets up. When does Sagar gets up? Sagar gets up at 6 o'clock. He first says his prayers. You know, 5-time namaz is mandatory for the Muslims. If you are Muslim, you have to do namaz 5 times in a day because it is also a very good exercise. So if possible, please do namaz 5 times in a day. Then Sagar goes to his grandfather because Sagar's grandfather was a school teacher. That's why he helped Sagar to do his lessons, his homework. That's why he goes to his grandfather. And he takes his breakfast with his little sister Kea at 8 o'clock. Sagar gets dressed after breakfast and leaves for school at 9 o'clock. And you know Sagar gets dressed. That means Sagar gets ready for school at 9 o'clock. And I told you that he takes his breakfast at 8 o'clock. Breakfast means nasta, সকালের খাবার. So his school starts at 10 o'clock. In the evening, Sagar does his homework. Homework means what task we are giving you at home. তোমরা বাসায় যে হোমওয়ার্ক করো, বাসায় যে ওয়ার্ক করো, আমাদের দেওয়া ওয়ার্ক ওগুলোকে বলে হোমওয়ার্ক. He loves Bangla and it's his favorite subject. What does Sagar love? Sagar's favorite subject is Bangla. Do you like Bangla? You have to like Bangla because Bangla is our mother tongue. So we have to say something about our mother tongue, Bangla. 1971 সালের আগে বাংলাদেশ ছিল পরাধীন এবং পশ্চিম পাকিস্তানের একটা অংশ. এটা পূর্ব পাকিস্তান নামে পরিচিত ছিল এবং পাকিস্তানি শাসক গোষ্ঠী শাসন করত. 1952 সালের ফেব্রুয়ারি মাসে পাকিস্তানি শাসক গোষ্ঠী সিদ্ধান্ত নেয় যে একমাত্র উর্দু হবে রাষ্ট্রভাষা. বাঙালিরা প্রতিবাদে বিক্ষোভে ফেটে পড়ে. তারা মিছিল করে এবং রাষ্ট্রভাষা বাংলা করার দাবিতে উত্তাল হয়ে ওঠে, প্রতিবাদ মুখর হয়ে ওঠে। 1952 সালের 21শে ফেব্রুয়ারি পাকিস্তানি শাসক গোষ্ঠী 144 ধারা জারি করে। আমাদের ছাত্র জনতা, শিক্ষক সবাই মিলে 144 ধারা ভঙ্গ করে মিছিল বের করে এবং ফের বাংলা ভাষাকে রাষ্ট্রভাষা করার দাবিতে উত্তাল হয়ে ওঠে। পুলিশ মিছিলে গুলি চালায়, ফলে রফিক, শফিক, জব্বার, বরকত শহীদ হয়। পৃথিবীর ইতিহাসে আমরাই একমাত্র জাতি যাদের মাতৃভাষার জন্য জীবন দিতে হয়েছিল। তাই আমরা এই শহীদদেরকে বিনম্র শ্রদ্ধা জানাই এবং তাদেরকে সালাম দিই। আমরা এই বাংলা ভাষাকে হৃদয়ে ধারণ করব, আমরা শুদ্ধ বাংলা বলা শিখব, আমরা বাংলা লেখা শিখব। ইউনেস্কো এই জন্য 21শে ফেব্রুয়ারিকে আন্তর্জাতিক মাতৃভাষা দিবস হিসাবে স্বীকৃতি দিয়েছে। এটা আমাদের জন্য অত্যন্ত গর্বের বিষয়। After he does his homework, Sagar spends time with his grandparents. He and his family have dinner at 9 p.m. Then he goes to bed at 10 p.m. Okay, after completing his homework, he spends some time with his grandparents. Do you have grandparents at your home? Do you have uncle, auntie? If you have, you spend some time with them. You can gossip with them. You can help them in their work. It will be good for you, and I think you will have good time with your family. And Sagar's family takes dinner at 9 o'clock. Dinner means রাতের খাবার। ডিনার মিন্স রাতের খাবার। 8টার সময় তারা 9টার সময় রাতের খাবার খায় আর 10টায় শুতে যায়। This is very perfect time. But when do you take your dinner and when do you go to your bed? Maybe when you take your dinner at 10 o'clock, 10:30 or 11 o'clock. After 10 it is very late, so don't do that, and you have to go to bed before 11 o'clock because next day you have school. You have to get up early. But now you have all day, you don't have any working days, you have all the days, you have holidays, so you can pass this time with you cannot pass more time with computer, TV or smartphone. It's not good for your health. It make some problems for you. Your eyesight can be poor. Maybe you will have headache, and as you are not moving properly, then you may become fat. So these are not good for health. So dear students, you try to take some physical exercise during this time. On weekends, Sagar visits his aunt and uncle in his afternoon. Weekend means holiday. That means ছুটির দিন. Friday is holiday in our country. And uncle means বাবার ভাই অথবা মায়ের ভাই. And aunt means মায়ের বোন অথবা বাবার বোন. In the afternoon, he and Kia play with the park in their cousins. In the evening, he watches TV or reads stories to Kia. At night, he goes to bed at 11 o'clock. What does he do? On holidays, he go to see his aunt and uncle. On the holiday, what do? Maybe you go to the market, you go to friends or relatives' houses, go to the park. Now you cannot go, but before that, you could go there. And next time, inshallah, very soon we will overcome this situation. Again, you can go out. So in the evening, what does Sagar do? Sagar watches TV or reads stories to Kia. You have enough time. That's why you can read Bangla or English storybooks. It can improve your reading skill. Also, your knowledge. You will acquire knowledge. So students, if possible, try to read English and Bangla storybooks and go to bed early. Okay, this is Sagar's week. All about Sagar's week. Now we will learn true false from this chapter. Read the sentences, write true or false. If it is false, you write the correct answer. Number 1, Sagar gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning in weekdays. Sagar is true. Number 2, Sagar has breakfast with Kia on weekdays. True. Number 3, school starts at 9 in the morning. False. Correct answer is the school starts at 10 o'clock in the morning. 4, English is Sagar's favorite subject. False. Correct answer is Bangla is Sagar's favorite subject. Number 5, Sagar watches TV with Kia and his cousins. False. Correct answer is Sagar plays with Kia and his cousins. Number 6, On weekends, Shagor goes to bed to 10 o'clock at night. False. Correct answer is on weekends, Shagor goes to bed at 11 o'clock. Dear students, that day I have given you some homework. Maybe you have done. Students, today I am going to give you some homework. That is, you have to learn question answer and true false, and you will write in your homework copy. Also, you will do handwriting for one page, and you have enough time. That's why you will take care of your handwriting. You will practice again and again and make it very nice. Hope all of you will be very fine at home. Almighty Allah keep all of us safe and sound. Thank you very much for being with me. See you again.